millets are traditional grains that our ancestors used to eat. And Siridhanya millets, those are 5 millets which cure any disease in our body. Bajra, pearl millet, ragi, finger millet, proso millet, and jowar, sorghum, are millets. Besides these, there are 5 other millets which are called Siridhanya millets. These are Foxtail Millet, also called Konni. Browntop Millet, also called Hari Konni. Barnyard Millet, also called Jangora and Sanwa. Koto Millet, also called Kodra. And Little Millet, also called Kutki. The 5 millets you see on the screen right now are Siridhanya millets. We will now see how these millets look up close, and also share detailed information about each of these millets. The first Siridhanya millet is Little Millet or Kutki. Its nutrient composition is shown in the following slide. This is how it looks up close. Little millet is called Kutki in Hindi. It is also known as African millet. It is light gray in color. This millet is best for issues related to the pancreas and thyroid, and is especially useful in health issues of women like cod, menstrual disorders and more. It helps in solving issues of the ductless glands and the reproductive system. The second millet is Foxtail Millet. Check out its nutrient composition in the following slide. Foxtail millet is called Konni in Hindi. It is also called Italian millet. It is yellowish in color. It makes and keeps the brain, spine, nervous, respiratory and skeletal systems healthy. It is the best millet for pregnant women. The third Siridhanya millet is Browntop Millet. It is called Hari Konni and Choti Konni in Hindi and is also known as American millet. It has the most fiber, 12.5 grams, among all Siridhanya millets. This is its nutrient composition. Browntop millet is greenish in color. When soaked in water, it gives the water a greenish color. This is a natural color and you should not get alarmed by it. It corrects disorders of the brain, spine, digestive and skeletal systems and keeps them healthy. It detoxifies entire body systems. It is also called green millet. The fourth Siridhanya millet is Koto Millet. It is called Kodrat in Hindi and Himalayan millet in English. In the following slide, you can see its nutrient composition. Protein is 6.2 grams, not 62 grams as it is a typo error. Koto millet is reddish-brown in color. Upon soaking in water, it tinges the water a reddish color. This color is also natural. It purifies the blood, fights gangrene, and cleans the bone marrow. It normalizes the quality of blood. This millet is excellent for bacterial fevers and gangrene. The fifth Siridhanya millet is Barnyard Millet. It is called Sanwa and Jangora in Hindi and is known as Japanese millet in English. In Punjabi it is called Swank. You can see its nutrient composition in the next slide. It is creamish in color. It cleanses the endocrine organs and soft organs like the liver, kidneys and gallbladder. It is the best millet for patients of jaundice, thyroid and kidney stone. You can use these 5 Siridhanya millets to replace rice and wheat in your diet. Use the 5 millets instead of rice to make pulao, biryani, etc. If you make flours of these millets, you can make roti, bread, dosa and more just as you make them with wheat flour. When buying millets, ensure you buy unpolished millets only. You now know their natural colors, so it is very easy for you now to check if the millet you are buying is unpolished. If the millets are white in color, they are polished. If they are in their natural color, they are unpolished. If you like the information, please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.